What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Just out here in the garden today, fam. Just out in the garden this morning. Enjoying this beautiful weather, y'all. Oh yeah, enjoying this beautiful weather, y'all. Family, I would like to take a moment to honor all of the members of the military who have passed while serving in the U.S. Armed Forces, y'all. I would like to take a moment to honor all of the members of the military who have passed while serving in the U.S. Armed Forces, family. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Family, I will also be remiss if I did not take a moment to recognize and remember all of the souls lost in Texas, all those innocent souls lost in Texas, fam, as well as Buffalo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's good versus evil, family. It's good versus evil, family. But it's one thing I know, fam. Evil would not prevail. Oh no. Evil would not prevail, y'all. It will be a recompense, y'all. You know, as a United States Army vet, as a war vet, I realize that freedom is not free, fam. I know it sounds cliche-ish, but freedom is not free, y'all. Oh no, it's not free. Just stay vigilant, family. Watch yourselves, watch your family, look out for each other. I want to shout out my sister, Nicole Groves. Stay strong, family, stay strong. I appreciate all the support, y'all. I really, really do. I appreciate all the support, fam. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.